Progress billing is a simple billing workflow for the projects that are gradually billed at a fixed contract amount. Progress billing does not involve project transactions, and the system uses progress billing steps of billing rules of the project task to process this billing. These billing rules are defined on the billing rules form. The project setup and the billing workflow proceed as follows. A user adds a revenue budget line with a revised budget amount to a project on the Revenue Budget tab of the project's form. To provide a billable amount, for example on a monthly basis, the user populates the Pending Invoice Amount or completed percentage column on the Revenue Budget tab for the revenue budget lines to make the system calculate the pending invoice amount as follows. Pending invoice amount equals revised budget amount times completed percentage minus the draft invoices amount minus the actual amount. The system creates an invoice with the amounts derived from the pending invoice amount column of the revenue budget tab of the project's form for the revenue budget lines. The system updates the draft invoices amount of the revenue budget lines with the pending invoice amount and clears the pending invoice amount. If the system creates a pro forma invoice, depending on the selected workflow, the invoice lines that are produced by the progress billing steps are displayed on the Progress Billing tab of the pro forma invoices form. If a project task uses a billing rule that has no progress billing step, when the system updates the completed percentage column on the Revenue Budget tab of the project's form, the system does not recalculate the pending invoice amount column for the revenue budget lines that belong to this task, and the system ignores any pending invoice amount of these lines during the billing process. The actual quantity of the Revenue Budget tab of the project is always zero in the revenue budget lines that are billed only by progress billing.